Why do we care about sustainable building practices? To illustrate, let's look at this diagram. Well, the answer starts with a single word: legacy. Our legacy to future generations hinges on the decisions we make today, highlighted in this section of the diagram, particularly in the construction industry. It's about choosing to build not just for the present, but for the future. This part of the diagram represents sustainability, and one way to measure that is through Green Star certification, shown here. Green Star certification, a system that originated in Australia, rates the sustainability of a building project on a visual scale from 1 to 6 stars. This system assesses a broad range of categories that impact sustainability, such as energy and water efficiency, materials used, and the quality of the indoor environment. Now let's take a look at a detailed diagram on screen, breaking down the Green Star certification system for a clearer understanding. Insert diagram. The diagram presents a breakdown of the Green Star ratings and their corresponding meanings. Starting from the base, a building project with a 1 Green Star rating signifies minimum practice. It meets only the basic sustainability requirements, indicating a promising start with significant room for advancement. Next up, 2 Green Stars symbolize an average practice. The project has embarked on a journey towards sustainability, but is yet to meet higher standards. A notch higher, a 3 Green Star rating is indicative of good practice in the field of sustainable construction. It is a project on the right track, ingeniously incorporating sustainable into its design and construction framework. 4 Green Stars are reserved for the best practice. Such a project not only meets but surpasses industry standards for sustainability. Climbing the ladder of excellence, a 5 Green Star rating represents Australian excellence in sustainable construction. These projects pioneer innovative practices and solutions, leading the way in WALM. Lastly, the pinnacle of the chart is the 6 Green Star rating, which epitomizes global leadership in sustainable building practices. These are the trailblazing projects, setting the global standard and pushing the envelope of what's attainable in sustainable construction. As the diagram on your screen illustrates, Green Star certification is more than just a badge of honor. It's a firm commitment to the future, a solemn pledge to uphold elevated standards of sustainability in construction. This diagram beautifully showcases the positive impact of sustainable construction on our future. Our Green Star commitment is about reducing our environmental impact and creating spaces that are not only healthier, but also more productive and more resilient. In summary, the Green Star certification process evaluates the sustainability of building projects. This process is visually represented in the diagram we are presenting now. The diagram explains how projects are assigned a rating of 1 to 6 stars, based on their performance in various categories. A project with a higher rating signifies greater sustainability and a stronger commitment toward future generations. Remember, it's not just about building for the present, it's about crafting for future generations. Refer to the diagram for a more comprehensive understanding of the Green Star certification process. As we delve deeper, the next time your gaze lands on a structure adorned with a Green Star plaque, let's unravel its significance. Refer to the diagram on your screen. This edifice is not just an ordinary building. It is a powerful statement. It signifies a profound commitment. It is a legacy that has been passed down. Moreover, it is a leap towards a more sustainable future. The Green Star plaque's symbolism, as shown in the diagram, truly underscores the essence of sustainability.